Hi everyone, my name is Irina Skripnik, and for my personal essay, I've chosen to describe a topic, idea, or concept I found so engaging that it makes me lose all track of time. For me, it's nutrition. I recently took anatomy and physiology class, and I really enjoyed it. We were required to do a nutrition project, and I became very passionate about it and just the impact that nutrition has on our life. I think that nutrition and education is crucial for all of us. And most of us have a pretty good understanding of what food is good and which one is bad. But it's really more than that. It's more the understanding how your body uses the nutrients, and also the true relationship between food, health, and disease. And I also would like to say that balanced diet is needed for energy and for our normal development, normal growth. It's so important to eat well. I would like to add that being healthy is truly a lifetime project. It's really more how you think what do you think about being healthy? How do you think about your food? And I'm planning to do more research on this topic since it really interests me. There's a lot of information online. There's so many articles on nutrition. I'm really enjoying reading them, and I'm definitely going to stay updated. And I just want to say, to sum it up, that thanks to the nutrition project that I did in my class, I became more aware of the impact that nutrition has on my life. And it's very important to have a good education in nutrition just to understand how does your body work and what is good for you. And thanks everyone for watching. I hope you have a nice day.